So, this is the incomplete story of those of us who walked on water before we walked on land.
So we've come up with the concept of a ward development committees where we have actually gone to the wards, which are perhaps set most smallest political units, to try and see how we can get community participation in understanding what the requirements are for those communities, and then we use the instruments of government to address those needs directly.
We must remember that poverty is not the problem.
We want to tell our children that it is necessary to know what you want and to know what you want to become in life. That is the only way you can become what you want to become.
I have vowed that as governor, I will reduce the incidence of human trafficking and irregular migration to its barest minimum.